Siddhartha, it is not for somebody dressed like you.
Why judge me by my clothes? I have no money. I have only these clothes to pay you for taking me across.
Are you joking with me, sir?
No, my friend, I'm not joking. A long time ago, you took me across the river for no payment. So please do it today. And take my clothes instead.
And where would you go without your clothes?
Where? I would prefer not to go any further. I would prefer it if you would give me some old clothes and keep me here as your apprentice.
I recognize you. You once slept in my hut. That was a long time ago. I took you across the river. I remember your face, but not your name.
My name is Siddhartha. I was a sadhu when you last saw me.
Well, you're welcome, Siddhartha. My name is Vasudeva. My home is your home.
Thank you.
You know, Siddhartha, I had a wife once. She lived in this hut. She slept on that bed. Siddhartha, this river is everywhere. Everywhere at the same time. It is at its source and at the mouth. It's in the waterfall and at the ferry. It's at the ebb, in the ocean, in the mountains. It is everywhere. The river only lives in the present. We too must learn to live in the present. Our great folly is to feel obliged to conquer time. It is this endless running after money, riches, power, wealth, this feeling that there isn't enough time, that obscures the truth. Siddhartha, we have traveled a long way on this river. I'm old now. I can't work anymore. Now it's time for me to go. But we will meet again. And remember, nothing remains the same. Everything changes. And everything returns. তোমার নেই কি চলার শেষ ও নদী রে